Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. We're going to get into a little tool haul today. As you already know, on Fridays, it's always Snap on Fridays. Picked up a little item this morning from off the truck. And as you can see, sitting down there on the floor is a box that was basically given to me with my purchase of the item that I obtained. My Snap-on rep basically gave me a Weber barbecue grill along with my purchase. So we're gonna get over here to the item, as you can see, and the part number is SGDTX90BR. And as you can see, this is a 9-piece soft grip Torx screwdriver set that runs from T8 to T43. Give you a nice overview of the set. Sits in a nice, hard, sturdy plastic casing, as you can see. Okay. Made by Snap-on Instinct. Give you another quick shot view of the item number. And once again, this is a 9-piece soft grip Torx screwdriver set. Okay, that's gonna be your tool haul for today from Snap-on and 5-drawer US General service tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give a thumbs down. Like I said, I'm not an opinionated individual. I just get into my craft. I do this in my spare time when nothing's going on in the shop. This is basically for the viewers. Oh, and if you want to get another quick shot of what was given with the item purchased, as you can see, it's a Smoky Joe. Has a little warranty, whatever, 10-year warranty. But it's always an A+, you know, in purchasing the item. Okay? Peace.